You know, one thing about our people is they were happy. They're happy. They're out there, they're singing, they're working. They're not saying, oh, poor me, you know? Well, my father was a farm worker. We went from Texas to Michigan to pick different vegetables, and early on I realized that I didn't like that kind of work. It was not fun. It was not fun at all. And you didn't make any money. And you would go to Michigan and work all summer, come back and be just as broke as you were when you left.
Farm Workers Self-Help, its main mission is to advocate for farm workers and help them in anything that they need. Big issue is immigration. The second issue is like healthcare, and the third issue will be education.
Margarita inspires the community because she leads by example. She's not somebody who drives 20 minutes into work because she lives outside of the impoverished community and comes in to help. She lives in the heart of the community. She always has been there. She doesn't just give them something to eat. She helps them build a business and teaches them English so that they're able to participate in the community in a bigger way.
We have a community who is very family-oriented. They like to learn, they want to learn. They just need some of that information, and that's where, again, Margarita plays a role. One can't look at the deficits of the community. You look at what they bring.
Hey, Isabel.
She wants them to represent themselves. She wants to provide an avenue to provide resources like English classes, like the church, like trips to Tallahassee. She wants to give them, the farm workers, the opportunity for them to become their own voices.
When I met Margarita in La Cucci in the early 80s, she had started Farm Worker Self-Help, but she was literally working off a table in the back of a Catholic church. Now, Farm Worker Self-Help owns buildings. They have a clinic. They have a recreation center. They have a youth center. They've gotten the name of Lock Street, which is in the heart of Dade City, changed.
If you look at the sign on the street, it's Lock Street. But then it has Calle de Milagros, which is Miracle Street.
I love that name, Street of Miracles, because if you look, there are miracles. We have a bus. Every time I see that bus stop and pick up people or leave people, I'm excited because that's a miracle.
10 years ago, there wasn't paved roads back here. There wasn't any lighting. So I know people see, she's fighting not for Margarita, she's fighting for the community.
I was diagnosed with cancer in 2013. Margarita helped me since the beginning because to have surgery like this, it's very expensive and very difficult. She immediately helped me so I could have a biopsy. They told me I had to have surgery because it is a very advanced cancer, and Margarita helped me with the paperwork to get insured.
Margarita understands and believes that when you're talking about health, you're not just talking about not getting sick or getting a cold or having access to a doctor. You're talking about being healthy when you get a good education, and being healthy when you have good housing, and being healthy when you feel that you're a part of a community that works together and grows together and improves together.
This community is healthier because of Margarita Roma, partly because she is a very strong person who will seek out partnerships with a lot of different organizations that can partner with this particular group. She's a champion, she's an advocate, she won't let ideas go, and she's persistent.
I would like to see all the houses much better than they are now. I would like to see more kids go into college. I would like to see a free clinic where we have our old clinic, that it would be a teaching institution, not just a free clinic.
There are not enough words to say thank you for all the help that she gave me. Without her help, I might not even be here today.